Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Guturi and I have joined CCBP 4.0 program and it has been 6 weeks till now, and I am here to share my progress and what and all I have learned till now. As a part of learning, we started to learn how to build a static website. As you can see at the right side of the screen, you can see home page of a tourism website, and there is a white card at the bottom of the page, and in this card I have added a heading, a paragraph and a button. By clicking this button, you will be directed to the next page. So let's see by clicking it once. So after clicking this, we came to another section, and I have named this page as a favorite places section. In this you can see three places of Karnataka. One is Chikmagalur, Coorg, and another is Mysore. As you can see, these three places are in separate cards. In each card, I have added a heading, a paragraph, and an image regarding the place. And at the bottom of the page, I have added a back button also. By clicking this back button, you will be directed to the previous page, that is home section. So let's proceed by clicking any of these cards so we can know some detailed view of these places. So now I am clicking this Chikmagalur card by clicking it. So now you can see that we are directed to another place, another page, that is a detailed view section. And now you can see the three places of Chikmagalur, and it automatically repeats the pictures, and we call it as carousel. And we can see the heading and paragraph and the nearby places of the Chikmagalur. And I added a back button also at the bottom. So by clicking this back button, we will go back to favorite places section. You might be wondered that how all these designs are possible, and how we can shape these cards, and how we can add images and all. For this we have to write the code in CSS. As we know that CSS is especially used for styling, and you can see the URLs and fonts that I have used here, and the font sizes, colors, and the paddings, and the height and width of the cards, and many more codes related to the styling of this entire page. Once again we will go back to the home section. Okay, now I came to home section, and again I'm clicking here the inspect button at the top. Now you can see some blue lines around the card and in and around the white card, and this is how the paragraphs and heading and the button and this white card are arranged. And now you can also wonder how these borders are curved like here in the white card. For this we have to add border radius property in CSS. As I said before, all the stylings are done in CSS. And let us also see by clicking these remaining two places, and I'm clicking this Coorg card. You can see some detailed view of this place too, and similarly Mysore card also. By clicking this card you can see this detailed view of this place also. And I hope that I have shared all the topics that I have learned, and please, this is the first video that I have made, so please give feedback in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.